All right, everyone, in a previous video tutorial, I showed you the power of tagging and segmenting in Aweber email lists. Now, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag email addresses when they sign up through an Aweber form. So how do you do that? First of all, make sure you're on the right list, which we are. FB Marketing Report, Facebook Marketing Report. Then you go to Sign Up Forms. And there are obviously more than one sign up form for this one list. I'm just going to happen to click on this form here. So just click on the title and it will allow you to edit the form. And there's the form. Okay, this form is actually, this is what it looks like on an actual website, okay? This is what the form looks like on the website. This is what it looks like on Aweber. Obviously a little different, but it is the exact same form. Okay, so I'm going to type in Facebook Marketing Report. And once you type out the words, you just hit enter or return and it creates the tag. You could always add a second tag if you wanted to. So you can have more than one tag here or anywhere. So I'm just going to click X because we don't need that. I'm going to save the form. Okay, and then you can go to step 2. We don't need to do anything on step 2, so we'll go right to step 3, and that brings us to publishing the form. Okay, so we go back down here. This form was created by pasting JavaScript into the WordPress website. You can use this method, as I mentioned, with just about any website generator. It doesn't have to be WordPress. So when I updated the form that you saw a minute ago, Aweber automatically updated this JavaScript code right here. Not only did it update it here on Aweber, it updated it on the website. So you're done. You don't need to do anything else. However, if you were using the raw HTML, you would have to copy all of this code. So if this form was created by pasting the raw HTML code, you would have to paste it again. You would have to go in here and repaste this code because you made a change to the code, and the code doesn't get updated automatically on the website if you're using the raw HTML. So that's all there is to it. All right. So you get your list, you go to your sign up form, you pick that sign up form, you click on it to edit it, and you just add the tag. Now, obviously, if you go back to sign up form and you're creating a new form, right? Exact same principle. You put whatever you want in here. So if you want to use a different tag, and that brings me, and I'm going to hit enter or return, and that brings me to the reason why you would want to tag on the form level. So whenever anybody signs up with a particular form, the reason you might want to do that is you might have two forms running at one time or at different times. So you could have one form running for 3 months where you, like this, where you give away a Facebook marketing report. Now, 3 months later, on the same list, you could create another form where you give away a WordPress top 10 plugins list, okay? You can segment the different subscribers according to whether they signed up with an interest in Facebook marketing or whether they signed up to the same list with an interest in WordPress. Now, you can also have two different forms on two different pages that, once again, one's for Facebook, one's for WordPress. And by using different tags, you can separate the lists, segment the lists, and only email or send out emails to certain segments of the same list. So some you may just want to send to the people that are tagged with Facebook. Other emails you might want to only send to people who expressed an interest in WordPress. And some emails you'll just send out to everybody on the list, regardless of what their tag is. So I hope you found this helpful. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.